Okay, a few days ago I was checking my mail and this one got my attention. It was written that you are one of 22 crore people in Domino's India data breach. भाई मैंने डोमिनोज से आज तक एक पिज्ज़ा नहीं मंगाया, सिर्फ प्राइस चेक करने के लिए लॉगिन किया था, फिर भी मेरा डेटा ब्रीच हो गया. So I thought let's make a video like what really happened, and in the end I will tell you what you can do to protect your data if something same happened in the future. So data breach happens due to compromise in the web services that particular website uses. What happens is whenever you order pizza from Domino's via phone call or using the Domino's app, they store your personal details in their database. And if you also want to check whether your details are leaked or not, you can go to this website. Link is provided in the description box. There, just enter your email address and it will show whether your details has been leaked or not. So recently, hackers built a search engine on the dark web in which they made the data of 18 crore people public. The data breach includes your sensitive information such as email IDs, address, total number of transactions, total amount spent on transaction, 10 lakh credit card details, and also precise latitude and longitude coordinates of your address. पर कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है क्योंकि हर इंडियंस के घर पे एक पावरफुल वेपन्स होता है जिसका नाम है झाड़ू. अगर किसी दिन तुम्हारे घर आ जाए बस फिर दे दनादन. Okay, now let's discuss what does Domino's claim on their data breach. Domino's as a policy does not store financial details of users such as complete credit card numbers, CVV, passwords, etc. And therefore, no such information was compromised, the company said. And on the other hand, hackers are saying that we breached Domino's India and got 13 TB of all internal files of 250 employees from different sectors. Now, how to find out who is telling the truth? On April 18th, Israel security revealed that credit card of 1 million customers of Domino's India had been breached and was made public. This was later signaled by a security researcher in India. A couple of weeks ago, a link was circulated in the dark web in which people can check their information. The dark web includes your name, email address, and precise location, which I mentioned before. The security researcher said that the worst part of this breach is that people are using this data to spy on people. Because if you see this screenshot, anybody can see your personal details. So recently, Air India, Upstocks, MobiKwik, Big Basket, and so many companies had faced data breached. So basically, there is no strict laws in India for data protection. But if you see, the European GDPR is the toughest privacy and security law in the world. This regulation will levy harsh fines against those who violate their privacy and security standards. So these are some regulatory points of the GDPR. This says minimization of data. That means websites should collect and process only the necessary data. The next point is accountability. It says maintain detailed documentation of the data you are collecting, like how it is used, where it is stored, which employee is responsible, means keeping proper entry for all the activities. So, what you can do to protect your data? We are not going to discuss the same common points like never share the OTP, regularly update the software. No, you know it, I know it. So we are going to discuss just the 3 points. So the first point is try to use different passwords for different accounts. And if you are having difficulty in remembering passwords like this guy, eating 5 almonds a day will help you overcome this problem. If you want to increase the Samanya Gyan, you can see this picture. It shows how much time it takes to crack passwords, so you can set the password accordingly. And the last point is take CVV related messages very seriously. Like if you receive a message related to CVV, immediately report this to your bank because somebody has access to your debit card but does not know the CVV number. And at last, सावधान रहे, सतर्क रहे.